What's up everybody, welcome back to another video and welcome to my very first vlog on this channel. So I'm about to head to an air show right now, so I'm in the middle of packing. Make sure I got everything. The umbrella, water bottle, neck fan, and bug spray. I'm about to go get gas real quick and I'm gonna head to the air show, which I'm really hyped for because there's gonna be some cool planes there. It's gonna be sick. All right, got gas. Now it's time to head to the air show. You guys might know that I have not filmed the vlog yet on my channel, and that's because of the fact that I've been filming the Sentinel Prime Gets Grounded series for you guys, because you guys really love the Sentinel Prime videos so much, so that's why I've been mainly focused on getting those videos out there. My previous Sentinel Prime video has 10K views. Like, thank you guys so much for that. Like, I really appreciate it. There were so many times where I wanted to do a vlog was because I was going out and doing something cool, whether it be somewhere where I live or out of town. But like I said, I made this channel so you guys can like see what I do throughout my day. And like, I don't know, it's like when you're sitting in your house all day, it's really hard to be creative. And I feel like I can get more things done when I'm not sitting in my house all day. So that's why I decided to do vlogs for a while for you guys. I'm really hyped for this air show because they're gonna have some cool planes up there, like the F-22 Raptor and the Blue Angels. Like that, you know, it would be pretty cool if I actually took a ride with the Blue Angels. I'm gonna hopefully do that in like a couple years when I'm older, I guess. I'm more excited to see Careflight's brand new helicopter. They actually got rid of their older ones. So it is a Leonardo AW169. So I'm gonna put a picture of that on the screen so you guys can see it. So we have made it to Dayton, Ohio. There's the downtown right there. All right, so we almost made it to the air show. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see the airport's control tower off in the distance. So I just made it to the Dayton Air Show. I ain't gonna lie, that drive was not as long as I was expecting. I mean, it's like an hour and 5-minute drive from my house, but it kind of felt like 30 minutes. I just made it inside the Dayton Air Show. Now let's go look at some planes. So right here we have the Samaritan's Purse 767. So right here is a Wright B Flyer.
Hi there. Questions? Not yet.
This right here is the C-130. And over there's a C-17 I'm about to check out later. And right here we have a stealth bomber. So we got a T6 Texan right here and a Stearman right here. So here's a Long Easy, and they're going to be performing today. If you look right there, there's the F4U Corsair. So the Golden Knights have taken off. I think they're about to fly for the national anthem, I believe. So if you look right there, that's Careflight's brand new aircraft. There's a Delta plane that just took off. Didn't get it. But we got the F-22 Raptors right here on the flight line. Then we got a P-38. The Blue Angels, and Careflight's brand new AW169 helicopter right there on standby. And right there is Tora. Grimes Flying Lab. We got a P-51 Mustang right here. This one's a red tail. Got the C5. The FedEx Boeing 757. Here's the MH-139. Pretty much this is the military version of Augusta Westland 139.
Now they go do the mustache. They're going to turn to the right. Then they're going to turn to the left. Give you the top view. So watch now. Going to make it look beautiful. Don't put it. There you go.
Yeah, right there on the top pass.
Oh, look at that. And Aaron's going to break free here in just a moment.
What's up, man? How you doing up there?
I'm having a little bit. This weather is... Here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Look at the negative change. He's pushed right up into the harnesses.
Yo.
And he...
What's coming up later.
Yes. Somebody out there maybe can keep here today. Find out some kind of the hurricane force winds coming down. If you get caught in that, you know, force the machine out of the ground. Some type of harmonic balance.
Alright, so now I'm about to go inside the C5 right now.
Did you see the wing? No, not really. Sometimes I actually find myself drawing and then...
So the Pearl Harbor reenactment is starting to begin.
Retired naval base is awakened with most of the fleet peacefully anchored within the confines of the harbor. Experience the roar of the engines and the sounds of the bombers as the Imperial Japanese Navy approaches. Then came the second wave. an additional deployed by a U.S. atom bomb.
About to go check out the C-130. I'm about to go check out the C-17 Roadmaster right now. Sorry about the wind. Alright, so I just got done checking out both the C-130 and the C-17. Unfortunately, it did not go as planned because the line was a little too long to look at the cockpit. So, but it was work. It is what it is. So we got the DC-3 coming in.
A break, so we give him a little break. What's your hat? One at a time on the steps, please.
Okay. How many can
Because
fit in the how many can fit in the plane in general?
21.
I mean, well, I mean, for your core or for.
Don't cut me out of breath. Wait, no, 21. It has 21 seats. Welcome.
Well, there's actually a lot of room in here.
Yeah, it's a lot of room in here.
Did you fly it? Uh-huh. You look like maybe you're going to get your pilot's license.
Seats are definitely a little
Interested?
Some F-16s here. There go the Golden Knights.
You know what that's from, Ricky? A very old TV show that Jim loves. It's down there. Go
We
find it.
had lots on Friday.
Yeah, he did.
Still had a few more left on Saturday with a big crowd here yesterday. It's down to 2. As the P-38, those beautiful purring Allison engines, takes off. Listen to this.
That is.
All right, so let's hand things over to the F-22 demonstration team.
So you guys are probably wondering why I'm soaked right now. Well, that's because right as the Blue Angels were about to do their performance, it just started pouring down. So I'm guessing the Dayton Air Show has been called off for today. And the Blue Angels are not going to do their performance. So there goes that. Just stopped to get some sky on. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. But till next time, peace.